Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Forex Sessions indicator on TradingView. First, open the TradingView website and make sure you are signed into your account so you can access all chart tools. Now, click on Products from the top menu and choose Supercharts to open the main trading chart screen. Next, click on the Indicators option at the top of the chart. Here, type FX in the search bar, and you will see a list of related tools. From the results, select X Market Sessions and add it to your chart. Once it appears on your chart, move to the top right corner and click on the settings icon to customize it. Now, set the time zone correctly. You can match it with your local time or use a UTC setting so that all session timings display accurately. Inside the settings, you will also find options to control different market sessions. You can enable or disable sessions like London, New York, or Asian markets depending on what trading activity you want to focus on. You can also adjust the appearance of each session. This includes changing colors, making them brighter or softer, or adjusting transparency so the chart stays clear and easy to read. If you want a cleaner chart, you can turn off extra visual lines like daily separators to reduce clutter and focus only on session zones. After saving your changes, the indicator will show all major Forex trading sessions directly on your chart. This helps you quickly see when markets are most active and when volatility is likely to increase. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.